Every day you say, I'll start tomorrow, but here is the truth. Tomorrow never comes. And while you are waiting for the right moment, your life is quietly passing you by. You waste hours on distractions, days on excuses, and years chasing things that don't matter. Then one day you will wake up and realize you have been alive but not really living. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for permission. You don't need the world to understand your dream. You just need to start moving. Use your pain as fuel. Turn your frustration into focus. And remember, every small step today creates the future you will thank yourself for tomorrow. Life isn't waiting for you, so stop wasting it. Do something today that your future self will be proud of.